Tired of endlessly scrolling through Facebook, trying to catch every update? Well, today, I'll show you how to automate your social media monitoring with Zapier, Facebook, and RSS feeds, so you can streamline your workflow and boost engagement. First, ensure that the Facebook page you want to monitor offers an RSS feed. Look for an RSS icon or a link, often found at the bottom of the page or within its settings. Once you have your RSS feed URL, head over to Zapier and click on the Create Zap button. This will start the process of building your automated workflow. In the Trigger section, search for and select RSS by Zapier. This tells Zapier to watch an RSS feed for new content. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the RSS feed URL of the Facebook page you're monitoring. Paste the URL you found earlier into the designated field. Next, choose your action here. Search for and select Facebook pages. This tells Zapier what to do when a new post appears in the RSS feed. Choose Create Page Post from the Choose Action Event options. Next, connect your Facebook page to Zapier by selecting Choose Account and following the authorization steps. This grants Zapier permission to post on your behalf. Now, in the Setup Action section, customize your post. Map the fields from the RSS feed to the Facebook post fields. For example, the title from the RSS feed can become the main text of your Facebook post. Customize the message, the specific page you want to post on, and any relevant links. Finally, test your Zap to ensure it's working correctly. Click the Test Action button. Zapier will send a test post to your Facebook page based on the latest item in the RSS feed. If the test is successful, activate your Zap by toggling the switch to the on position. Congratulations, you've automated your Facebook page monitoring.